Hello, I'm back and NPC so he quit the channel. But oh, I got a new cool gun. Yeah, teleport me.
Yeah, he got a new cool gun.
What the? Who there? Who there? Hello. What? What?
Hello.
Who's that?
I'm NPC.
Hello.
I'm NPC. Bye bye.
I thought you quit. I thought you quit though.
I'm poor. I got 1.11 million. I'm poor. Or I have like no money. I only got 1.11 million.
Bro, he has 1.11 million. Look how much I have. Yeah,
like sugar.
Anyway, wait, NPC, are we going down there?
Where?
Down there.
Sewers! Wait.
Don't go down there.
Let's not go down there right now. I'm gonna do something first.
Look, I can get to one place faster than you can.
Where did he go? Okay, I don't care. I'm going down.
Wait, no. Let's get a flashlight.
Oh yeah, you get flashlight, I get potty. You get flashlight, oh wait.
I can barely afford one.
Wait, how many gems do I have? I have 2 gems.
Put that in there.
This video ends when we both die.
Put that there. Okay, let's go down.
Wait, no, we gotta explore the new map. You said there was a new map.
Yeah.
We gotta explore the new map.
Right. Let's just go in there.
Here, you go first. You go first. Just go, I'm coming. No, just go, I'm coming, I swear, I'm coming, just go.
No, come in with me then. Nah, you're so dumb. NPC! No! You idiot! NPC, we forgot to bring a pickaxe.
Oh. No, one gem!
NPC, I'm gonna chuck the light here. We need to. NPC, come on. Can you?
What about the flashlight?
I don't know. Somebody needs to grab it. One sec. Bomb Mum's right there. There we go. Look. What the?
What is that thing?
NPC.
What is that?
Bro, what?
Bro, don't die it. What is that, bro?
I'm dead, but oh my god. Nah, we need to play a bit more. Respawn.
Nah, bro. We're going again.
Yeah, respawn. Hold the button fully down.
Hey, bro, we going again, bro.
Can you buy me a revolver then? Thank you. A revolver with no ammo. Oh, but it has ammo. Yes. Do you know what, NPC? Should we?
You get a pickaxe.
I don't think I can afford one. You know.
Wait, can you put stuff on your side? Can you put stuff on your side?
Yeah, I can put that on my side if you want.
No. Put this on your side. Put that.
No. Okay, you ready to
Wait,
go get
but
our
how
stuff
do I
then?
get that? Wait. I'm getting.
You need it with gems, but I'm pretty sure you need like 3 gems to get the sided pocket thing. Wait, should we get? I'm gonna get a dynamite. So, oh, I can't afford dynamite, man.
Oh, fine. I'll take it.
Bro, I've got 210.
I'll get it.
I can carry it.
I'm poor. I have 1.10 million.
I don't even have 1,000.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You go down first again, bro.
No, we'll go down together.
Okay.
Why did you not come down with me?
No, I'm stuck.
But yeah. NPC, you've got to kill me. What did you? NPC, I'm scared.
Okay. Come on, let's.
Our stuff is around there.
Head. Oh, no.
Should we go?
Okay,
Wait, no,
let's
I think it's down there. Oh. NPC, come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh crap, run. No! I think we can get his stuff though when he blows up. Whoa!
Yeah, I got a gem.
I got a grenade.
I got a gem.
Oh, it's there. Yeah, it's right there. That's where our stuff is. Come on.
Yeah.
NPC?
Why did you bring your hoverboard or whatever?
I don't know. NPC, you ready
Someday
to
it's
shoot?
here.
3.
Wait,
Yeah, get that. Yeah, oh, yeah.
a flashbang.
Can I chuck this at it?
Wait. Yeah. Just check it.
Oh, there's a mimic. There's a mimic.
Oh, I hate mimics.
NPC, come on.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go.
3. You've got your gun ready. 3, 2.
Run straight.
No, our stuff is right there. NPC, come on. We've got to get your guns ready.
I can hear the mimic. He's gone.
NPC, I'm coming. I'm gonna come back. Oh.
I could have helped you. I literally could have helped you.
It's okay, I'm coming down here.
Oh, I could have helped you, but
Come back.
I can barely see. Is that you or a mimic?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, come on. I can't see any.
You didn't buy a flashlight?
Yeah, the flashlight's there. Oh.
You're
Not him. Come on, I need anything to do. Bro.
Okay, we gotta run straight.
Yeah, 3. Oh,
Oh,
wait,
here's some stuff. Here's your stuff.
we got the light.
Mimic.
No! I need to.
Mimic.
I don't want to shoot.
I hit him with
I don't want to shoot you.
Yes.
Did you get? I'll be WhatsApp. Oh! But that does damage to you as well. Remember?
Oh no, I don't want it. Oh, like I don't want to use it. You can get it. You can. Oh. Oh.
I'm not using that. Yo! NPC's right there. NPC's right there.
Oh, I see him.
That's the way we need to go.
Wait, it is?
Wait, maybe not. One sec.
Oh yeah, let's go this way.
Ah!
Yeah, no, bro, you
NPC! Oh! NPC!
Yes!
I'm scared of this bit. I'm never good at it. Wait, can't we just
Same,
kill
I'm
it?
never
Can't we
good
just
at
shoot it? Can't we just shoot it? No, you gotta shoot the big bit.
Oh.
No, don't do it in case it kills us. Yep, no. You see, this way looks easier. I'm dropping this just in case.
Where are you dropping that?
It's a metal bomb. I don't want it.
Oh, there's the way out. There's the way out.
Wait, NPC, if we get anything to sell, grab it.
No,
so
that's not the way out. That's not the way. It's a giant.
Okay, NPC.
It's not way out. That's not the way
NPC,
out.
just come here, just come. Wait, NPC. Hole.
Oh yeah.
Be careful though, there's two of them.
Hey, but guys, it's our first time. It's our first time playing like in this update.
Oh yeah!
I think we're gonna end
Oh
the video
yay! Yay! I don't miss
But
this.
I think we're gonna end the video very soon.
Yeah, we have.
Okay. When we finish this, we're gonna do part 2. We're going to do part 2 right after. Okay?
Yeah, that's the first time I ever did that jump on my own.
Oh.
Yeet!
Not that way.
It is.
Yeah, go up. Wait, what's
NPC, I
there?
feel weird holding a gun.
I think it's this one. It's that one.
Yeah, it is this one.
Yeah, we gotta jump.
I'm jumping even higher,
Just in case.
One sec.
It's the right way.
Come on. Claustrophobia kicking in. Ghost lady can be
We
there.
gotta jump.
Oh crap. Ah!
Oh crap. No, I'm
It's the right place.
Come down. I'm down here, boy. Okay, guys, we probably gotta end the video now, so we're gonna do part 2.
Yep. See you guys at part
Bye,
2.
bye, guys. Bye.